In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color line art fast with reference layers, smart fill, and brush blending. We'll start by setting up a clean, non-destructive workflow. Make a new layer directly above your line art. This keeps your colors separate so you can edit, experiment, or fix mistakes without touching the original drawing. If it helps you stay organized, you can rename this new layer something like color, but the key is simply that it sits above the line art. Next, tell your software which layer holds the outlines by setting your line art as the reference layer. Look for the small lighthouse icon on the line art layer and activate it. This marks that layer as a guide. From now on, certain tools will look at those lines, even if you're painting on a different layer, which is exactly what we want. With that set, switch to the fill tool, often known as the paint bucket. In the fill settings, enable refer other layers. This is crucial. It means the fill will respect the reference lines while placing color on your color layer. Make sure you're actually on the color layer before you click to fill. Otherwise, you may accidentally fill the line art. Now you can click inside closed areas to drop in base colors quickly. This is perfect for blocking in large regions without painting every edge by hand. If your line art has small openings, you might see the fill leak out or fail to reach the edges. That's where the close gap setting comes in. Increase close gap to help the fill tool bridge tiny breaks in the lines so color stays contained. Think of it like telling the software how forgiving to be with gaps. Start at a moderate value, test a fill, and nudge it up until the color behaves. If the fill stops too early and leaves slivers uncolored, reduce the setting a little and try again. Once your flats are in, switch to the brush tool for manual coloring and blending. Use it to tidy edges, add subtle shading, or create smooth transitions. Work along the inside of your line work to keep edges crisp. Vary your brush size for control and lower brush opacity for soft blends. Sampling colors from your fills can help maintain cohesion as you build shadows and highlights. That's the full workflow. Color on a new layer above the line art, set the line art as a reference layer, fill quickly with refer other layers, adjust close gap for tricky openings, and finish with brushwork for polish.